Google Ads for Dropshipping: How to Get Profitable Sales. Welcome to our guide on leveraging Google Ads for your dropshipping business. Today, we'll unlock strategies to boost your sales while maintaining profitability. First, it's crucial to identify the right products to advertise. Focus on items with proven demand and decent profit margins. This means conducting thorough market research and selecting items that are trending and have low competition. Next, craft compelling ad copy. Use clear, concise language that highlights the benefits and unique selling points of your products. Emphasize any exclusive offers like discounts or free shipping to entice potential customers. Targeting the right audience is essential. Utilize Google's targeting tools to reach the ideal customers based on their interests, demographics, and purchasing behavior. This helps ensure your ads are shown to people most likely to make a purchase. Bid wisely on your keywords. Select a mix of broad, phrase, and exact match keywords to maximize your ad reach while keeping costs in check. Use Google's Keyword Planner for insights and adjust your bids based on performance data. Don't forget the importance of tracking and optimizing your campaigns. Regularly review your ad performance and make data-driven adjustments to improve click-through rates and conversion rates. A/B testing different ad variations can provide valuable insights into what resonates best with your audience. Finally, ensure your landing pages are optimized for conversions. Fast loading times, clear call to actions, and easy navigation can significantly impact your sales success. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insightful content on digital marketing. Thanks for watching.